May it please your lordship. There is one matter which is pending before this court, BA, which was moved before Honorable Justice Malasi Nandi Minor. And while moving the matter, there was an order passed by the interim order protecting BA while I was in custody, but he was unwell. So the court has passed an order protecting us. So the next date has been fixed on 27th of December. In the meantime, at that time, he was in judicial custody. Now, once he was released, he has been hospitalized because his condition was not good. Now, the question is that we have filed an application. Case has been listed 3rd of January. We have filed an application for extension of an order showing all the medical certificate. So if it is not inconvenient to your lordship, can be listed tomorrow, my lord.
But it will go to before the appropriate bench.
Yeah, it will go for appropriate, but it has to be mentioned before being a senior bail. That's what we have been told.
Okay.
No problem.
When did you file that application?
We filed it yesterday. We filed.
You have the filing number?
Yes.
Yes, we have
Registration number.
registration. Yes. But it has to be mentioned before.
No, yes, right.
That's the play of.
May I please your lordship? What is the BA I have filed on 17 May? It will come up tomorrow.
If it is not defective,
My lord?
if it is not defective,
If it is not, yes, my lord.
you have the registration number, filing number you have?
Yes, my lord. May I please your lordship? My lord, I have a prayer for listing a bail application for tomorrow, my lord, because out of the same PS case, already one matter has been listed tomorrow before this court, my lord, item number 13. So out of same PS case, my lord. So tomorrow, my lord.
May I plead your lord? I beg to mention item number 43. It has become infractious. And the petitioner has been arrested. 43.
Mr. Pradhan, the independent petitioner has been arrested. Such infractions. Yes.
My lord, it's AB, my lord, POXO, my lord, notice has to go, my lord, maybe tomorrow taken up. My lord.
When did you file?
Yesterday I have filed, my lord.
You have the number?
Yes, yes, my lord. Deeply obliged.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, similar matter fixed today, lordship. Item number 47, lordship. Lordship, out of same FIR, CD also received, lordship may take up along with that, lordship.
When did you file?
Yesterday, lordship.
You have the filing number?
Yes. Obliged.
May I please yours? I beg to mention item number 7, madam. Can this matter be taken after due vacation, madam? This is NDPS commercial quantity, madam.
Just,
Madam, after due vacation.
which item?
Item number 7, madam.
30.
Madam.
All NDPS matters are fixed on 38th of January.
Obliged.
My lord.
Deeply obliged.
My lord, I'm here to mention for a listing of a case which has been filed on 16th. So if you kind of enough to list this case tomorrow.
Matter relates to what?
Matters, it relates to NDPS section 21C/29. The case is in the Jorhat.
It's a new case.
It's a 2 years long case.
It is, you are filing for fresh application.
Right, fresh bail application. It is filed on 16th.
May it please your lordship? I beg to mention for listing a AB lordship on tomorrow, lordship, wildlife lordship. May I please your lordship? I pray for listing of I criminal for extension of the interim order. Lordship is directed to me appear on or before my lord 6/12/2024. But the petitioner was out of his station. He went to the Geneva to do a seminar. Lordship. He come back on 14, lordship. In the meantime, my lord, time has expired, so I pray for extension. I would have filed, lordship. Tomorrow, if possible, lordship.
Hello, plus. May I please, your lordship? I wish to mention item number 3, my lord. I may be allowed to do this petition.
Okay.
May please, your lordship. I beg to mention for listing my lord AB petition, highly yesterday, my lord, may be taken up on tomorrow, my. Highly obliged.
May I please lordship, if the bail application is fixed on 3rd of January, and I have filed an IF correction of some lordship.
On 3rd.
May I please, your lordship? I have filed a bail application yesterday, lordship. I am praying for it tomorrow, lordship. Regarding lordship, NDPS matter, he is under the prisoner, lordship.
May I please, I have filed a wakalatnama and affidavit in opposition in connection item 42, the total list, lordship. That may be kindly brought on record, lordship.
May please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 64. Person senior is currently out of station. Kindly fix it as per your lordship convenience.
Matter relates to what?
Lordship, I don't have.
Today, this cannot be considered. We are supposed to pass order day before yesterday, only on the request of Mr. Sakia, we have done it. Sorry. At 2 o'clock. Huh?
Lordship for withdrawal matter, tomorrow, madam.
My lord, item number 6, my lord, NDPS matter, my lord, kindly adjourn, my lord, but after vacation, my lord.
30.
May I please, Lordship, one bail application which was filed on 16/12/2024, but not yet listed, may be taken up tomorrow.
Your Lordship, and AB, Your Lordship, kindly for listing tomorrow, Your Lordship, it's filed on 17, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Obliged.
Your Lordship, bail application may be listing for tomorrow, Your Lordship,
When did you file?
16th.
You have the filing number?
Your Lordship, I have this slip in.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, Lordship, this matter may be fixed on 31/25, Lordship.
Have you informed the other side?
Yes, Lordship.
Lordship, I am here, Lordship. Similar matter is fixed on 28, 20,
30.
30 of.
NDPS matters are fixed on 30th of January. POXO cases are fixed on 28th of January. So it will be on 30th.
Much.
And we please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention listing of anticipatory bail application, Your Lordship, cases registered,
When did you file it?
day before yesterday, 16/12.
Wait, please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20, Lordship. This matter will be taken at, on 6th or 7th January, Lordship. 20, Lordship.
From which police station? From which police station?
Lalu, PS, Lordship.
Body police, is there? Let the matter reach also. Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10, Lordship. Conducting counsel out of state only.
28th of January.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Beg to mention item number 45, Your Lordship. Perhaps CD is not there, Your Lordship. I am on interim, Your Lordship.
Yes, from which police station, ma'am?
Rupohi. Bochalang, Your Lordship.
CD not available.
CD not.
She is an interim. On 22nd, my lord.
Okay. Yes,
May it please, item number 14, may I leave adjourn for that?
1/4.
1/4.
Matter relief to what?
NDPS matter.
33-0. Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship, my lord, in item number 49 and 50, Lordship, to IS Lordship. So Lordship, we have filed this IS for correction of the cost title along with the prior Lordship, because subsequently some sections were added, Lordship, in the case, Lordship. So my lord, after motion, this matter may be taken up, Lordship, or Your Lordship may allow to file the corrected cost list, cost title of the petition, Lordship, and fixed date, Lordship.
Without going to the IAO, it is not possible to pass such order at this stage. Okay, we'll take it after motion.
After motion, obliged. May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 59 of the supplementary list, Lordship. So in this matter, I may be allowed to withdraw the petition, Lordship.
What's your good name?
K. Kaishar, Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing a criminal petition, Lordship.
Before the appropriate bills, not before this.
Maybe, Lordship, I'd like to mention for listing on anticipatory bill filed on 17, my lord. Serial number is there. Tomorrow, my lord. Highly obliged.
So Mr. Parasar, Mr. Sharma, get ready for tomorrow.
Motion. One, my lord, we have not yet received instruction, my lord. After some time, we were trying to call Kosi Kokraja, my lord.
Your Lordship, only 76 days today, Your Lordship.
Yes, yes. Just, we have sent the signal regarding status report, my lord, on 16 itself. The day before yesterday, but on 16 Monday, we have sent.
Under section 379, Your Lordship.
Yes, next.
After some time.
After some time.
May please, Lordship. Lordship, CD may be called for along with postmortem report and meeting. From Bharlamukh case.
On 9, my lord. 8.
On the last occasion, also please to direct it to submit the electricity bill of electricity bill of the petitioner.
Special PPF, no?
Wildlife.
Wildlife.
Forest department. Lordship, the consumer number is Lordship petition.
Give us a bill.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, Sofiqul Islam, the name is wrongly a CH and here Lordship the SIFI Lordship.
This is a bill of December 21. Nothing to relate to this case.
And Lordship, recently Lordship, the digital bill Lordship.
Even if it is digital, you will have a up-to-date bill.
Lordship, very illegible. Digital bill is very illegible Lordship.
Bills are always there. You need to only download. This is of 2020. Order of placing before the court.
Lordship, consumer number is the same Lordship.
Maybe, whatever. Want to see the reason? You know the reason we are asking you.
Lordship,
Just
allegation.
after vacation.
Lordship, by tomorrow.
Forwarding the petitioner. You'll not get a chance every day. Tomorrow being a special day. 9th of January.
Mass of it.
52 regarding status report or instruction regarding sections. We have sent the signal. It is received by the PS on 17/12 8 p.m. Yesterday they have sent a signal that sometime required. Now today morning I have tried to call the OC. Mobile phone switch off. Now I have got the just now I have got the phone number of the IO. I'll contact after some time. I'll
Ask your colleague to be here.
My lord. If possible not my lord, then can it be tomorrow, my lord?
We'll see to that.
My lord. So he will be here, my lord. I have another motion, my lord.
For a T3 application, FIR admits 11,
From Bilasipura.
kindly come to the Caesar list, What are the articles are seized from the petitioner,
Mr. Counsel, tell us the page number.
Page number 17, Page 17. All the toy pistol, recovered and the dresses.
Serial number 6.
One number of pistol. Police done. But this is also, as per my instruction, plastic. All the toy pistol,
That is as per you, but not as per the search CISA memo.
Actually, all the.
Get the case diary.
Not. To bridge, 9, Maybe 4, 8, 8. May I please your lordship?
My lord, I have annexed earlier your lordship dismissed it on the ground of that I have not annexed the earlier order. So I have come again, my lord. I have tendered unconditional apology in the petition, my lord. So, my lord, I have annexed the new, that order also, my lord. I think you love to kindly consider the bail, my lord. Earlier, once I got a interim bail by the session court, but ultimately it was rejected. The money was given, my lord. It is the allegation that I have taken money in assuring the job, my lord. After 3 years, he has filed.
Get the up-to-date case diary immediately after vacation.
7,
Okay.
May I pray for protection?
Get the case diary.
May I please your lordship? 482 application.
My lord, CD may be called for.
Lakhimpur. 10th, my lord.
This case, there may be with you.
Lalok 166.
Yes, yes, we have considered this case, not of course, early part of December. Probably we have granted bail. also.
Ah, yes, yes, my lord. This FIR I have gone through, my lord.
Okay, anyway, after vacation.
10th, my lord.
Oblige.
May I please your lordship?
Yeah, my lord, Hazarika, take steps on the opposite party number 2 informant during the course of the day.
Well,
Take steps on the informant opposite party number 2. Yes,
CD Borpeta from my lord, 9.
okay. Take steps during the course of the day. You have to take some copy on the public prosecutor through the registry.
much.
No, referral number.
I don't know.
I do know.
With your lordship, it is a 482 application, my lord. In this case, my lord, accused person, he is a salesman, my lord. And my para is, page 5, my lord. Page 4, para 5, my lord. And complainant and accused person, my lord, conversation 10 to 23, my lord, on WhatsApp messages, my lord. This FIR is, my lord, totally false, my lord.
Page 14, 13, 14. Page 13, 14, FIR.
Page 13, FIR.
Yes, is a friend name, get the information.
My lord.
My lord, it didn't.
Let
my
him
lord,
appear. Let him appear, my lord.
26th, before the IO. 35,000 to local CD.
My lord, interim may be allowed.
Before the IO.
Oblige.
Mr. Parag sir, when will we have the case there? This is from Lala.
Is there another? Last part of December, on 24th, my lord.
Not on 25th. Okay, on 24th.
Oblige.
May it please your lordship, is it 482 bail application, your lordship, the FIR is at page 16. May I read your lordship? I would like to introduce myself as a contractor of various government and semi-government agenda agencies in Assam based on Guwahati. As such, I deal with various different business houses. While I was doing my Jal Jeevan Mission contract, I used to buy various materials from MR, Mr. Vinay Kumar Harlalka, who is the owner partner of a firm in the name of Messrs. Avichal Distributors, having a office number G5 Dwarkadesh besides Adgaon Flyover 80 Road, Guwahati 9. His contact number is 9435124013. I have clear all his used by check, RTGS, NFT and cash on check as given to him as security for an amount of rupees 3,57,000 bearing number so and so of my savings account dated 6/2021 of Bank of Baroda 6 Mile branch. Upon clearing all his dues, I was repeatedly asking him to return the security check, but he informed me that he had misplaced the check and will return me as soon as he finds the check. But to my utter surprise, on 3rd of November 2024, I have received the summons from the court of Chief Judicial Magistrate Kamrup Guwahati, where it is mentioned that the case has been registered against me under the NI Act under section
section 138 bearing case number 2904/2024. On having a closer look, I found that the security check bearing so and so of my saving bank account number has been tactfully changed to 6/2024 and placed at my account. It is my good luck on that particular date. My account did not have that much of balance, and the instrument was returned unpaid by bank. So this is the case, Your Lordship. However, Your Lordship may kindly peruse the page 18, Your Lordship. This is the check. And page 19, Your Lordship.
What happened on 12th?
Your Lordship, this, the check was, the check got bounced, Your Lordship.
Happened on
Because
12th? What happened on 12th?
12,
You have received a summons. You're
Yes, Your
supposed to appear on 12th. What happened?
so he had appeared.
Yes.
He had appeared, Your Lordship. The accused had appeared
It appeared in court bail.
and has taken bail, Your Lordship.
Why you are here? That's the reason we are asking you. If you
We are
have
asking
obtained bail in that court, why you are here?
No, we are.
No, we are not the accused, Your Lordship. I am the,
No, this is informant
the informant is the accused, Your Lordship.
Informant got the notice, my lord.
Informant got the notice and thereafter he has filed this case, Your Lordship. After the complaint was filed against him, he has filed this case that I have manipulated the check. But the check was dishonored due to insufficient fund, Your Lordship, not due to manipulation. It is his story that the check was dishonored, manipulated, Your Lordship.
Same day. Appear before the IU. I am done, sir. On or before 26th.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
21st of January.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? 42 BNSS subdivision. FIR is page number 16, madam. Relevant page is 92. Lost by madam, range forest officer. As per the FIR, madam, the incident was occurred on 2nd May 2014. FIR was closed, madam, after 3 months, madam. 23rd 8/24, madam. Was registered under
The offense.
379, 413 and 21 of mines. Whereas, my lord, the accused has loaded the art, the ordinary art, from their own land. My lord. I have also annexed the German annexes 7. My lord.
The person concerned offense report against this person has been submitted for illegal transportation of minor mineral for third time. That's what we have seen.
Yes. But this time, my lord, they loaded the art from their own land, my lord, from the land of accused number 2. Maybe the same area, my lord.
On 7th. With the case date.
Obliged.
Item number 58.
Today is 91 days.
Yes, service is complete, Lordship.
Any information regarding such?
Yes, Lordship, service is complete.
Charge sheet 91 days to
58 minutes.
58.
Lordship, charge sheet has not been filed.
Rana, you are appearing for whom?
My lord, I am appearing for the petitioner, my lord. On behalf of Mr. S. Munir.
That cannot be, you are not a signatory to the, you could have considered, who is there, who is the other council appearing?
Case number.
Mr. Hawk.
Case number.
It goes before that. Notice of this application. From the informant.
আরোটা বাঁচলি বাঁচা 65
Elixir on 209224. Connection is Chilapata PHP number 106. We check. And since then in custody. The petitioner was produced before the land special Dr. Matthew. On 2009. Has completed. 90 days. I'm being and put Mr. V. Sharma and additional public hospital. Sarsit admitted file. In say Chilapata PH case number 1 year. That corresponding to your number. Corresponding to your number 422. Then became SLPX. Considering that where we could drive. It has for the next 3 weeks. And thereafter, and still filing of the search, which already had that. Thereafter, amendment is required in the state. After condition. Also condition to the nana. Satisfaction of London special guns box shop.
65
What's obliged, your lot? Yes, special judge box.
Yes, Mr. Sharma. What happened yesterday, we have seen that
No, my lord, that bar clause, my lord, there are judgment of Supreme Court, my lord. That if prima facie case is not made out, then there is no absolute bar, my lord. That led done by this apex court, my lord, 2018 lordship.
Because here,
2018 6 SCC 454, my lord, para 79.2, my lord. Even August 2024, there is also judgment, my lord, from the apex court, my lord. There is no absolute bar. Now going by the, my lord, allegation as well as the WhatsApp chatting, my lord, clearly shows that, my lord, it is not a prima facie case have been able to made out by the informant, my lord.
If I may just submit, Lordship.
yes, Mr. Sharma.
Lordship, firstly, Lordship has already gone through section 18, Lordship. It bars the 438 of the code, Lordship, specifically, Lordship. What he is stating is, Lordship, true, there are Supreme Court judgment which says, Lordship, ED may lie in exceptional circumstances unless prima facie materials are made out, Lordship. Now, Lordship will kindly come to section 3, WI, Lordship, for a moment. Section 3, Lordship, it starts with punishment for offenses of atrocities. Lordship has found it. Now, Lordship will kindly turn the page and come to subsection, Lordship, small w.
Yes.
Small w. Again, subsection 1, Lordship, Roman 1. Intentionally touches a woman belonging to a scheduled caste or a scheduled tribe, knowing that she belongs to a scheduled caste or a scheduled tribe, when such act of touching is of a sexual nature and is without the recipient's consent. So here, Lordship, it squarely covers the case, Lord.
মই কি ক'ব বিচাৰিছো যদি কিবা কাৰণে চাৰ্কিট নহয় যদি এণ্টাইটেল টু ডিফল্ট ওতে আজি এক্সপেক্ট নকৰি
Heard Mr. R. P. Sharma and Councillor Kevin.
Because there is also one FIR, my lord, by the mother of this young lady of 22 years, my lord. That actually she was, my lord, she was encouraged by her elder sister, Mona Lisa, who is in jail. And her fiancé, Dipankar. That is their place 23. Your lordship may fix, my lord. I pray that let it fix on 5th, 4th or 5th, or 3rd.
Third or fifth, sixth. On sixth,
So we file objection to their objection.
on instruction of the petitioner, Mr. R. P. Sharma, learned senior counsel, assisted by what's your good name?
R. Datta, Ranjita Datta.
What's this matter on? Sixth. Yeah.
But, Lordship, one more case is there arising of the same CD, Lordship. Kalpana Das, item number 48, Lordship. That is in AB, Lordship. Can it be taken up? 48, 40.
Kalpana is not in jail, my lord.
He is not in jail. That is an AB. AB. Let both the matter be listed again on Lordship 6, Lordship. That is an AB.
There is AB. I think here is not the.
She is the mother of both the, I mean to say today's petitioner Lord, and Mona Lisa.
Her position such a in bad condition, she is holding a small palm shop on the roadside. Ganesh Guri. She was already interrogated by the Assam police, my lord. Number of days she was called and kept in the Thana, but she was not arrested.
Placed together on sixth.
Halil.
Along with.
Halil.
Along with BA 3269. Yes.
It will be. My lord, already your lordship has had the argument and supposed to be passed for.
Supposed to pass order, what happened, the file after signing it went to the registry.
That is,
So that's why I couldn't pass the order.
but I have got the opportunity, but in the meantime, my lord, I have searched in the internet and found, my lord, 3 judgment
Give it to us.
from Delhi High Court.
Give it to us.
Here on the other day, the submission of my learned friend, my lord, appearing on the other side is that homogeneous mixing of the sample was taken.
I have seen the matter is listed today, so there I have got the chance and I was a little bit.
First you.
So here, my lord, homogeneous mixing, my lord, Delhi High Court in 3 judgment have said. Taking up of homogeneous mixing not permissible. My lord.
Okay.
May I pointed out the paragraph, my lord?
Yes, if you have to kindly give the number of paragraphs.
That is, my lord, first is, my lord, your lordship will find.
One.
First one is, my lord, Delhi High Court judgment. Naam koti. Gauri Shankar, my lord. Gauri Shankar case. Here, main paragraph is, my lord, 18, my lord. 26, paragraph 26. Here, my lord, though the settled law is that if it is not practicable to send the entire quantity, then sufficient quantity buy of a sample from each of the packets of pieces recovered should be sent for chemical examination. Otherwise, result thereon may be doubted.
Okay. Next one.
Next one, my lord, Ahmed Hussain, Muhammad, and relevant paragraph is again, my lord, 18. Same thing, my lord. The fact of the present case is that prosecution has mixed all the packet and thereafter sent to FSL for examination, which is contrary to the procedure prescribed under the law. My lord, got it. And third one is, my lord, Bashant Raj. Here, 26, paragraph 26. Same thing, my lord. It is settled law that from each packet sample must be taken and is sent to the, my lord, FSL. So this is my humble challenge. So this opportunity, because of the mistake taken by registry, my lord, I have.
Doesn't matter, no, because this matter for 19, it did not mention as orders. So that's why it went to the registry.
Yes, but
We'll take care of that.
I am obliged to the registry also, my lord, because their mistake, I got the opportunity to place this citation before him. I am obliged.
My lord.
Take your seat. Yeah.
My lord.
স্বপ্ন ওখানে না কখন ঢেলে করে নাম ভিতরেই একটু ঠিক আছে।
Lord, FIR page number 12, my lord. 376 IPC section 6 of the POXO Act, my lord. My lord, the FIR says this alleged offense was
committed 6-7 months ago. And the accused is 18 years old, my lord. So when the alleged offence was committed, my lord, both of them were teenage, my lord. And he's 71 days in detention already. Already 71 days in detention.
You have the case there?
Yes, Lordship.
Just pass on. Yes, anything else, Mr. Raman?
My lord, the alleged offense was not committed, my lord. Here is the informant and the respondent number one, my lord. He was not happy that his daughter and and the accused petitioner was in a relationship, my lord. When they were expected to meet, they were not allowed to meet. But on the insistence of the daughter, they once met, and and he saw both of them together. That is why the FIR was lodged, my lord. At that point of time, both were minors, my lord. So considering the length of detention, my lord, further custody interrogation not required. He's only 18, my lord, just turned 18, my lord. Entire life is ahead, my lord. Maybe released at this point of time.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Apparently, the date of birth of the victim is 15/6.
No, victim is minor.
Yes,
That is not denied.
Lordship.
The rest you have heard what Mr. Raman has said.
Lordship. Lordship, the only thing is, Lordship, the photographs and the videos that has been made viral, Lordship. Efforts have been made, Lordship, the phone has been thieved. Lordship, releasing at this stage, Lordship, may jeopardize the investigation, Lordship.
It was not made viral even according to the FIR, my lord. Threatened to made viral, my lord.
They have witnesses,
Even according to
Lordship.
the FIR, my lord. My lord, may read the FIR first. And the phone has already been seized, my lord. So how will it jeopardize the investigation?
Okay. Yes.
For the informant, they were,
From this side. Come to the door.
Lordship, they were in a romantic relationship, Lordship. And apart from that, regarding the bail, he is silent. The informant is silent on it.
Bail, he is silent.
Lordship.
Regarding bail,
Lordship. He has not said anything, Lordship. He only informed that they were in a romantic relationship.
what Mr. A.W. Raman, counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. Abhi Sharma, and additional public prosecutor appearing for the state. Also heard Mr. Jed Islam.
Lordship.
Counsel appearing for the informant respondent number one. Respondent number two. Petition unable. DR number 181-202. The informant, respondent number one, on 01-10-2024 laws written at the heart before the officer in charge of Bokagaon Police Station. Alleging that the petitioner since last 1 year inducing his minor daughter of 16 years of age, studying in class 10, the pretext of having a love affair. is to meet her in the roads and other places and thereby affected her studies. In the said Ejahat, it is also alleged by the informant that without his knowledge, about 6 to 7 months back, the petitioner is to pick up his minor daughter and once he took her to his relative's house where he physically and forcefully had physical relation with her in spite of her resistance and objection. And videographed, and that since 09/10 to 024, he is in custody for more than 70 days. He should be released on bail. Considering his age and it is also submitted by Mr. Council appearing for the particular that mobile.
As per information, my lord, he is a addicted person, my lord. Considering the length of detention, my lord, can be allowed.
Heard Mr. R. Ali, Council appearing for the petitioner and
H.A. Ahmed, my lord. H.A. Ahmed.
H.A. Ahmed. Petitioner namely is open for praying for his brilliance, I think. Arrested on 26/10/20. On receipt of specific information about the petitioner on 25/10/2024, around 11:30 p.m. that he has concealed a huge amount of suspected narcotic, suspected liquor and NDP suspected NDPS items that is house situated at Pekagaon. It was entered into the general diary as Borpeta Police Station, DD entry number 54, dated 2015-2022. After obtaining necessary authorization, police personnel from Borpeta Police Station, along with the relevant materials and the NDPS kit, NDPS toolkit, proceeded to Tekagaon village. Following the due procedure, the house of the petitioner was searched. Recovered a brown color soap case containing suspected NDPS item wrapped in black color polythene that was kept concealed in a wooden almirah in his house. With the help of the NDPS toolkit, said NDPS item kept in the soap case concealed in his house was weighed WH in presence of independent witnesses found to be of 10.41 grams without packet to be of suspected heroin. 10.401 grams. Thereafter, the petitioner was apprehended and said NDPS item was seized for this investigation. Person frequently registered and Kolkata police station case number under section. The petitioner was accordingly arrested and produced before the Chief Judicial Magistrate on 26th April. Petitioner submitted that considering his detention in custody since 2016 to 2024, his bail should be considered. Mr. Sharma learned a different purpose that FSL report relating to the recovery of the heroin from the possession of the petitioner is awaited. It is seen that the police personnel from the Kolkata police station with the help of the toolkit, NDPS toolkit found the seized substance to be of suspected heroin of 11.2 gram to correct. 10.1 African 1.4 gram, 10.41 gram. Considering such recovery from the possession of the petitioner, indicates that a material drug. The court is not inclined to grant bail to the petitioner, considering his detention since 26/10. According stands rejected.
Well, 60 days is mandatory with that knowledge.
To wait for some time to become 60 days.
How like?
My lord, intermediate quantity and petitioner is behind the bar for 56 days, lordship.
Intermediate quantity lordship, but the recovered items are lordship twofold. One is lordship suspect heroin lordship, 6.19 grams, and also lordship some tramadol capsules lordship. And the capsule lordship, the powder in the capsule has been weighed down. It is around 94.09 grams.
মই এইটো ওচৰত আহিলো, মই এইটো তোমাক দি দিম।
Mr. Sharma, all are with container.
Lordship, the net weight has been taken down, Lordship. Without container, Lordship, 6.19 grams suspected heroin. And Lordship, the 10 strips of tramadol tablets, Lordship. The powder has been weighted, Lordship. It is around 94.09 grams of tramadol tablets, Lordship.
Then
That much, Lordship.
Six point
19 gram without container.
Heard Mr. M. Khan, counsel according to and Mr. B. Sharma. NGR number and NGR number 475-202. It's around 2510 and in custody. As per the FIR dated 2014-2024, clause before the Jogeshwar police station. The case is that on receipt of specific information from source in the evening of 2024 around 8:14 p.m. that the petitioner from Kobaitari, KABAITAR, Part 4, under Jogikopa Police Station, is selling and dealing in illicit trafficking of narcotic drugs, NDPS item, illicit trafficking, selling and dealing in illicit trafficking of NDPS item at his registered, at his residence. The information was accordingly informed to the officers of the Jogikopa Police Station, as well as subdivisional police officer of North Salmara Abhayapuri, by making general diary entry of said Jogikopa Police Station, white number 19 of 202, 24 202. After due authorization, police personnel from Jogikopa Police Station along with the investigation kit, drug detection kit, electronic EMS, seal, etc., proceeded to the place of occurrence the same evening. And on reaching the place of occurrence, with following with due process, the house of the petitioner was searched at village Koibatari Part 4 on 24/10/2024 itself. And during such search, the house of the petitioner, in the presence of independent witnesses, Roman 1 billion. 10 strips of pyramidal hydrochloride, acetaminophen, and diclomine hydrochloride capsules containing 236 numbers of tablets and 4 numbers of small plastic containers within bracket vial with suspected NDPS item heroin were recovered. The total powdery contents of the 10 strips of pyramidal hydrochloride precipitated 236 numbers of 236 numbers of pyramidal hydrochloride acetaminophen in 10 strips, weighs about 94.09 gram, and that of the 4 numbers of small plastic containers not 4 numbers, and the NDPS item found in 4 numbers of plastic, small plastic containers weighing about 6.19 gram without the vial. Thereafter, the group of PS case number was registered. The petitioner was placed before the special magistrate North Salmara Abhayapuri on 25/10/2024. After it, Mr. Sharma, an additional public prosecutor from the case, there is a that. After making proper inventory, seized products from the possession of the seized NDPS items from the possession of the petitioner have been forwarded to the FSF for its examination and necessary purposes evident. It is already noted above that the police personnel recovered such NDPS items from the possession of the petitioner, and they have been to the house of the petitioner with the investigation kit, drug detection kit, electronic missile, and found the recovery, the substance recovered from the possession of the petitioner to be of heroin and tablets containing pyramidal hydrochloric acid. Considering the above, detention of the petitioner since 25/10/2024 cannot be considered for a such. Hence rejected.
May it please your lordship, I may allow to withdraw this bail application.
Or Mr.
M alone.
M. Alam, counsel appearing for the petitioner.
60 days ago.
And Mr. B. Sharma. Petitioner's name Rekata Pride. Was arrested in connection with the this case number 179. At section 21B of the 29 of the NTPS. Corresponding to the number 845. 2024, in which they were arrested on 21/10/2024. Filed a clear application on 13/11/2022. On instruction of the petitioner, Mr. Alam, counsel appearing for the Mr. Alam, United Counsel prays for withdrawal of this.
I have another violation of item 20, lordship. That matter may be adjourned today, lordship. Item 20, lordship. Lalu PS 20. Before,
The prayer of counsel for the petitioner Emma. List of the petitioner.
we may be allowed to send back the CD and return it back, because
We'll have it on 7th.
lordship. Hello.
My pleasure.
Also, today is 91. That one, 91B. 91 days. 91 days.
91 days.
Can I get? Is it providing this now? This now? This now?
Arrested on 31st of October.
Oh.
Which item? 21.
19. Kindly forwarding, my lord, 16. Ini tuh ada 90 days untuk
26.87 gram. What's your good name? Mr. Pardon, Mr. P. Hazarika, Council Appearance for Restitution. Then we go some additional particles. Petitioner namely Satyan Singh, alias Satyan Singh, was arrested in connection with Dunai Police Station case number 2024 under section 21 in brackets small v of 27 capital A public section of the NDPS Act. Corresponding to tier number 138 of the 2024. And was produced before the learned subdivisional judicial magistrate Dunai on 20/09/2024. The total 26.87 grams of suspected heroin was recovered from the possession. On being inquired, Mr. Goswami and recent property submitted that the investigation is complete.
CD is received, CD is
Non-availability of the FSL report. Search it could not be filed in the case. In the meanwhile, petitioner has already completed his secretary period. For 50,000 government employees to appear before the concerned investigating officer. Dunai PS case number every Thursday for the next two English calendar month commencing from 2nd of January. Filing as and when he is required of a condition.
This is a regular bail application and the CD was called for.
did not receive in this case, madam.
Received.
No, madam. Forwarding on 31/10, madam. Page 13.
Notice CD
Actually,
21. I have seen the notice, my lord, the CD is there. I have seen, my lord, the CD available chart is there, my lord. Item number 21. Which that has
It's here. It's here.
also there. That has 21. Ase.
No, madam.
My lord, after some time it may be taken. There, it is indicated, my lord, in
No,
the
me
chart.
liquid itu. Kami liquid.
Where it is indicated.
My lord, it is
No,
written, my lord.
Where CD is 21. 21.
Ase. রাতে কত দাদা কিছু তো আছে আয় সত্যি
It is available.
my lord, today is 50 days, my lord, behind the bar, my lord, and my lord, the petitioner's name, my lord, FIR case number 8, vernacular lordship, relevant part, page number 10. He is not named, my lord. He is no way involved, my lord. He is suspected and arrested, my lord. Nothing was found from his custody, my lord.
Lordship will kindly peruse the forwarding, Lordship, that is the case that itself, Lordship, as regards the petitioner is concerned, Lordship.
Forwarding report, page number 13. Page number 14 is the relevant part. Second line, lordship, trying to enter.
Yes, Mr. Sam.
Here, Lordship has already gone through forwarding, Lordship.
Hmm.
Forwarding, Lordship will find the involvement of the petitioner is concerned, Lordship. They are part of an organized crime, Lordship, where, Lordship, some specialized person are called in and around the Kaziranga area, Lordship, to shoot rhinos, Lordship. In the meantime, Lordship, 11 numbers of arrests has been made, and Lordship, 2 numbers of guns has been recovered from different co-accused, Lordship. That is, Lordship, one is .303 rifle with ammunition, and another, Lordship, again, 303 rifle, Lordship. And Lordship, investigation is still going on, Lordship. This is a huge group gang, Lordship, that is operating in that area, Lordship. And some more accused are yet to be arrested, Lordship. And Lordship, releasing them at this stage, Lordship, will hamper the investigation, Lordship. Because Lordship will see they are habitual offenders, Lordship. They are operating there, and Lordship, releasing them on bail will be very detrimental, Lordship.
My lord, the materials recovered from the other co-accused, my lord, not from the petitioners, my lord. And my lord, the petitioners are behind the bar for last 50 days, my lord. And my lord, nothing is to be recovered. Everything is under police custody, my lord. All are safe, my lord. So, my lord, the investigation, my lord, may not be there, my lord, because everything is recovered, my lord. So on any condition, my lord, he will appear as and when required, either every week or like that, my lord.
Administrative counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. Bishop. Petitioners in the Let's around 31-10-2024. GR number 467-120. Considering their detention since 2019-2024, 31-10-2024. And police have already seized the relevant items. Petitioner submitted for the right inside to the appeals case. As per the FR, the 2019-2024 object is reflect laws before the Sutia police. In that one accused, namely Saiful Islam alias Gutu THU, along with his accomplices, have been trying to enter Kaziranga National Park via river route from Bishwanath site and hatching a criminal conspiracy to poach rhino and cut its horn, sell them in higher prices. Say Saiful Islam alias Gutu developed links with sharpshooter from Dimapur within Nagaland. they were planning to hire. During such process, the petitioners have been apprehended. The petitioner number one. Mr. Sharma, an additional public prosecutor, placed the forwarding report of the additional public prosecutor. Place the forwarding report 31/10/2024 of the petitioner. And also from the case record, case diary, Mr. Sharma submitted that the petition number one on several occasions had contact with the concerned shooter of Dimapur on his mobile phone, who agreed to come to Biswanath area for poaching rhino in the KNP. The petitioner, along with other accomplices, and the petition number one, along with other accomplices, Said Saiful Islam and other accomplices. Saiful Islam, Elias Saiful, and other accomplices. And the petitioner number two, conspired to poach rhinos in the KNP, and for that purpose, they had contacted and hired a shooter from Dimapur. Mr. Sharma, in the case diary, is there anything regarding recovery or seizure? One of the Jamil is one of the poetry from his house to his number sector. You know, along with the one of the accomplice from one of the arrested person, accomplice of the petitioner, who conspired along with him for the rhinos can be. Arms have been recovered. Also from one who is Abdul Bari.
They are not before loss.
One pin of the rifle. Considering such materials in the case that Mr. Sharma is committed, investigation still going on. Considering such materials in the case that it's not a fit case to grant bail to the petitioner. In such matters, NC right stands rejected.
Obligors.
Malad, as per the telephonic instruction of the OC Kokrajhar Malad, A vehicle not yet recovered, my lord, because of that charge sheet not yet filed, today is 76 days. my lord. Regarding smuggling of cattle, my lord.
Or am I mentioned consolidating for the petition and Mr. K. for excel and additional property security. However, corresponding to the number 209 of the 2024. Take it. As per the FIR of the case dated 11/05/2024, the petitioner accused persons, FIR name accused persons of the case. Have taken away cows from the cow shed of the complainant and on seeing the accused persons taking away the cattle's cattle, not cattle, cattle in a vehicle bearing registration number AS16A3494. The complainant followed the said vehicle and intercepted the said vehicle at Sapur police station area along with another cattle in the vehicle. But the accused persons managed to escape from the place. The FIR was reported. Later, the petition one of the FIR accused person was arrested in the case on 4/10/2024 and in custody. Mr. Parasol and additional public prosecutor submitted that the cattle have been already seized. Investigation is also complete, but the vehicle involved in the case could not be seized in custody. And the search it has not yet. Considering such submission of Mr. Parasar made from the case that the court is obligated for the custody detention. 35,000 to local cell. Connection. Superficial magistrate for project. Okay.
Obligation.
But this case, Malad, I have talked with the Malad IO Malad. And he said that a petition has been filed before the concerned court Malad for modifying the sections and adding 15, 1 and 2 of the POXO Act, not the 14. And the court likely to pass order today. So matter may be fixed tomorrow, my lord, in the motion column. And
Okay. On the prayer of Mr. Kuke Parasa, place this matter for motion. It is already ordered. Huh? Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? The accused is behind the bar since last 47 days, Lordship. And the wife of the accused is pregnant, Lordship, and the date of delivery has been told by the doctor on 3rd January, Lordship. I have annexed a ultrasound report, Lordship.
Yes,
On
Mr.
test.
Parasa.
my lord, commercial quantity, my lord, 50.9 gram of hero suspected
In
heroin.
between, Lordship, commercial and
Heroin, my lord.
250 gram, Lordship.
50.9 grams.
50.9
Oh,
grams.
sorry, 50.9 grams. And she's from the position of this person, my lord. But FSL report is not available.
Heard Mr. E.B. Sharma, counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. K.K. Parasa. Petitioner will deliver. Was arrested on 03/11/2002. Was arrested on 04/11/2002. In connection with GRPS case number such and such under. And 50.9 grams of heroin. Suspected heroin was recovered from the possession of the victim. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner. In that his wife is in the advanced stage of pregnancy and expected date of delivery is 03/01/2025. Take your seat, take it. As such, considering his detention since 4/11/2024 and the advanced stage of pregnancy of his wife, Mr. Sharma and counsel raised for bail of the petitioner in said Bongaigaon JPS 127/2024. Mr. Sharma, Mr. Parashar, and additional copy prosecuted from the case there is submitted. That altogether 50.9 grams of suspected heroin was recovered from the possession of the petitioner while checking while conducting checking at New Bongaigaon railway station to combat trafficking in NDPS items, and the petitioner was found carrying such NDPS item in the Kanyakumari Vivek VIVK SF Express within bracket Dibrugarh, that's Kanyakumari. Bracket close, train number 22504 down to when it arrived at platform number 1A. It is also seen that the petitioner tried to fled away, but he was apprehended inside the train itself. Considering such materials in the case that Mr. Sharma Parasar and Council appearing for the expert submitted by the public perspective. in that, the FSL report. This is item is to be received. Considering the involvement of the petitioner in trafficking 50.9 grams of suspected heroin was recovered from the possession of the conscious position of the petitioner. And his detention since 4/11/2024. Court not inclined to grant bail to the petitioner according to this bail application of the petitioner in such and such cases. Hence, rejected.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Here. How is it called?
May I please, Lordship? For the victory application, Lordship. Accused are behind the bar for 44 days as on today, Your Lordship. They find page number 18, Your Lordship.
What is the recovery?
Liquid is 1 kg 60 gram from item number 23.
23 from
And then item number 24,
1917.
1 kilo 917 gram, Your Lordship. They are blazers, layman's, Your Honor. This alleged Gaza were wild, self-grown Gazas, Your Honor, in the cultivated land, Your Honor. And those that were cut down and then were kept sideways their cultivated land. Your Honor. They were nowhere procuring, selling all these things, all cannabis. Your Honor.
On third,
Only, look,
not at this stage. We'll have it on third.
only 43.
Item will over. কিন্তু মাতা নাই যেতিয়া আহিব মাতিব পটিশন যেতিয়া বহুত মিলি কোচ কৰি
May it please the Lordship. My Lord, is a regular bail application. I was arrested on 21/11/24. My Lord, I am not named in the FIR, though NDPS is there. The reason for my arrest is at page 18. Your Lordship will find. Page 18, the forwarding letter. My Lord, last paragraph, Your Lordship will find. I'm not named in the FIR, nothing was recovered. Forwarding letter, last part is my reason of my arrest. May I read it, my Lord?
Just a Yes, Mr.
Yes.
Goswami.
Lordship, my lord, here is a case, my lord, where, my lord, in the sale of doing a legal business, my lord, they are, my lord, taking the business of this NDPS, my lord, matters, my lord, contraband items, my lord. He, along with another accused and other members are also there, my lord. They are, say, my lord, procuring and selling it, and the proceeds, my lord, they show that they have a, my lord, furniture shop attached to them, my lord. From that, they used to get this profit. But in turn, my lord, they receive those proceeds from this sale of narcotics. And interesting, lordship will find this petitioner is a, my lord, public servant, my lord. He is a, my lord, gov servant in education department, my lord, CRCC, my lord.
He'll tell.
Lord,
My Lord, if Your Lordship permits me, The reason of my arrest is this, my lord. I have a transaction that is at page 18, the forwarding letter. During the investigation, it is written there, my lord, because I have purchased a vehicle from him. That is why there was some monetary transaction.
Side flex, my lord.
মুঠতে একটু কোৱা নাই
কিন্তু সি আৰু এটা একুইজৰ লগত
এইটো বেলেগ থাৰ্ড পাৰ্টিয়ে কৈছে বুলি।
তাতে আছে।
The statement of Moinuddin will be much more required because that is the reason for which I was arrested.
But your lordship may see the bail objection, my lord. There also everything.
Bail objection was not against me.
No. CD.
Bail objection is what was. কি লেখা আছে?
In the order today, we want to.
Hello, wait
Come
for
up
some
later.
time, some other day, not before holidays.
The prayer be considered for the petition. Next on.
January, my lord.
Make it on 10th.
10th, August.
Or you're good. Take back the case.
The new story I have found.
Maybe lordship.
The new story I have found this time.
Maybe lordship. It's a regular bill application lordship. 26.
Yes, San Mari.
Page 8 is the affair lordship. I'm not naming the affair lordships. Page 8 is the affair lordship. Today is 30 days behind the bar lordship. Snatching lordship. Punishment up to 3 years lordships.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Yes, Lordship has seen the FIR, Lordship. Here, Lordship, the accused has been identified by the victim herself. And he has, Lordship, history with drugs also, Lordship. He is drug addicted, Lordship, and he has admitted to the same, Lordship. And otherwise, Lordship, the knife also has been recovered, as well as the vehicle has been recovered, in which he committed that crime. Lordship.
Tell us whether his further custody detention is required.
Lordship, this type of person, Lordship, if released on bail, Lordship, he will again commit the same offense, Lordship. Because, Lordship, he is addicted to drugs. He does this for meeting the expenses of his drugs needs. Lordship. So releasing at this stage, Lordship, will be harmful, Lordship.
Today is 30 days, Lordship. And my lord, election only up to 3 years punishment, Lordships. And there is a affair, he is not named in the affair, Lordships. My lord, he is the delivery boy, my lord, of the pizza and like that, Lordships. So he carries a knife and bike, Lordships. So my lord, further custody detention may not be required in this case, Lordships.
Mr. Sharma, just pass on the case.
Lordship.
The victim identified you.
Kindly consider my period of detention, Lordships. Kindly consider my period of detention, it is 30 days, Lordships. So, my lord, punishment only up to 3 years, Lordships. So,
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
I will face the trial, Lordships.
Lordship, this second co-accused is yet to be arrested. The goods has not been recovered, and he.
I have not done that, Lordships.
Society.
I have not done that. That's why that recovery could not be done from my position, Lordships.
Then, Lordship, the victim has to have a personal vendetta against this person, Lordship. Otherwise, why would she require to recognize her, Lordship?
I will face the trial and I will cooperate in the investigation, Lordships. Remaining investigation. Today is 30 days, Lordships. Kindly consider, Lordship.
Twice in a week. Before the investigating officer. Monday and Thursday. Government employee. Next 3 English calendar month. Or till filing of the charge sheet, whichever is early. thereafter as and when. चलो, एक बार करो अपन। We'll get the case diary after some time, Mr. Sharma.
Lordship,
We'll get the case diary after some time.
Lordship.
I'm allowed.
FIR, my lord. Page number 10, my lord. Section 303, subsection 2, 317, subsection 2, and of the BNSS, and 13 and 14 of the Cattle Preservation Act, my lord. My lord, 16 days in detention, my lord. My lord, if your lordship come to the FIR,
Here is the other cow.
That
My
has
lord?
not been recovered,
Here is the other cow.
not recovered.
my lord, the last page, I will show you something to your lordship. The last page, page 19, the typed copy is 1 page, 2 page before, page 17, my lord. This is the seizure, my lord. It says the place of seizure is Tokia Mari, house of Moinul. Now, this Moinul from whom the cow has been recovered, he is accused number 5. Just because we are his acquaintance, my lord, we have also been entangled in the affair, my lord. There is absolutely merely suspicion, my lord. Nothing else. Recovery has done of the one cow from accused number 5. He is not before your lordship. According to the FIR, accused number 1, 3, and 4 is before your lordship. And already 16 days in detention, my lord. Merely based on suspicion. Huh?
AWM. for the affair. Year number 21820. In custody since 4/12. As per the affair of the case, that is P122024. Two of these bullocks, one red color and one white color, have been taken away on the night of P122024 and 4/12 by some unknown miscreant. From his house. It is submitted by the petitions that they have been wrongly detained. The case. No written activity. From the case that is placed by Mr. Sharma on additional prosecutor that the petitioners were apprehended by villagers of Tokiamari in the early morning on 04/10 while taking away 2 bullocks with them and police personnel from Gosaigaon getting the said information arrived at the place of occurrence and apprehended the petitioners with one of the red color bullock of the complaint. Later complainant also reached the place and identified his bullock. Is there he also indicate that 2 of the other accused persons have taken near the other block of the petitioner who are yet to be apprehended. Considering the fact that the one of the red color block was recovered from the possession of the petitioner, considering the detention. Already, conditions. 3 weeks, 2 months. Subdivisional judicial magistrate in Beckett Camp, Gosai.
My lord, the CD may be retained because there was another application before court number 19 as item 26 today. So we prayed that because your lordship is hearing the matter, so matter will be listed tomorrow here before your lordship. So the CD may be retained, my lord. Grateful, my lord.
I think this is charge-sheeted matter also.
It has been charge-sheeted.
Charge-sheeted matter also. Scan copies are available also.
1264.
Lordship, item 60, my senior is in another court, Lordship. Kindly pass over the matter for the time being. He will.
The court will be rising early. 64. Mr. Pathak, your matter. Where is your opinion?
In that matter, my lordship was pleased to call for the case diary. That is item number 47, is it? 47.
And one production list.
And one more,
In production list, item number 1.
production list.
47
Now
is
list.
Another item is. Amatu,
That is 164 again. Who is appearing for 64? Where is Mr. Saikia? Someone mentioned in the morning.
Yes.
We are supposed to pass the order today.
It has to be deliberate.
ISK is there.
I say, someone maybe mentioned in the morning, he said, no, we are supposed to pass the order today.
Yeah.
None appeared for the petitioner on call. Though name of four councils have been reflected in the cause list. Petitioner remained unrepresented. In the morning, someone made a mention on behalf of Mr. Ayed Sakia. But this matter was fixed at the instance of Mr. Sakia, counsel for the petitioner today, as the matter was heard at length on 17/12. Detailed order will follow. Interim bail granted to the petitioner and which circumstance is acted. With the case,
My lord. Mazal is it.
$66 and $67. Both are rejected.
Rejected, Lordship.
Yes.
Apply.
47.
Before the case diary is placed before your lordship,
47 case diary.
Receipt, Lordship.
before the case diary is placed before your lordship, I'll take your lordship's 2 minutes time.
Yes, yes, sir.
What exactly happened? Because in the backdrop of those facts, if the case diary is perused by your lordship, I think your lordship can get a clear picture.
Yes, kindly.
Here is a situation.
Yes, please, Mr. Patel.
My lord, I'll just, in 2 minutes time, I'll give it. Here is a situation, your lordship, on 2nd of June 2023, that is at page 23. An FIR was filed by the accused today before your lordship against few people, including those people now who are the complainants, for cutting their maize when they were harvesting. The story started in June, 2nd of June. At the time of harvesting, there some quarrel broke out between this group and the other group in the month of November, that is annexed D at page 16. And in that group, my lord, someone ultimately had used one dowel and a hand was chopped off and a man died. Now, looking at the sections, they have put the criminal conspiracy section first. Your lordship will look at the FIR. They have put the criminals, they have registered the case under criminal conspiracy section. New section is, my lord, new section is 61. My lord is well aware that there is a difference between earlier section 34 and 149. 34 related to common intention and 149 relating to common object. And if your lordship has a look at section 61 of the present act, section 61 has added a proviso. Section 61 is earlier 149, my lord. That is criminal conspiracy. They are on criminal conspiracy. Section 61, it speaks of the proviso is important. As your lordship, I'm so sorry. When two or more persons agree with the common object to do or cause to be done
an illegal act or an act which is not illegal. By illegal means, such an agreement is designated as a criminal conspiracy. Now, your lordship will look at the proviso. Proviso, in fact, provided that no agreement except an agreement to commit an offense shall amount to a criminal conspiracy unless some act besides the agreement is done by one or more of the parties to such an agreement in the present case. Now, in this situation, your lordship is well aware, when there is a quarrel, normally in the village areas, the real situation is ground level, practical situation is everyone comes out. Neighbor people, 2 families or 3 families fight, and others also. The petitioner number 1, he is the headmaster of the neighboring school. Petitioner number 2, his wife is the headmistress. Under that was a school day. And 3, number 4, for the time being, I will not speak because he is a businessman. Number 3 is the village defense force secretary, appointed by the police to keep peace in the area. Now, in this particular situation, all these people, 11 people name has been included as in the FIR. Now, I am not appearing for anyone else, my lord, on 11 person. One is the headmaster of the school, who necessarily, that is the normal human instinct to come out and rush out what exactly is happening in the field.
Yes.
2 is the headmistress, and number 3, he is the village defense force secretary appointed by the police to keep peace in the area, and his wife is expecting on 29th of December, this month. 4th, a businessman, my lord. I will not tell anything much about it, and I am instructed by my learned colleague that the 5 persons who in fact committed the offense, they have surrendered. That amnesty was there, and they are behind the bar now.
Page 41.
Huh?
Page 41 for the
Page
41.
49 PS.
41 for the below arrest.
People who have been arrested is at page 49.
41.
41. Because normally in village areas, what happens, whenever there is some kind of a fight, everyone comes out. This is the normal what, because I also belong to a village. 2 persons fight and everyone comes out, and all people, he is the headmaster, headmistress, village defense sports secretary. And that secretary's wife is expecting medical report is there on 29th of this. And now criminal conspiracy, my lord, is separate from common intention under 34. Article 34 to KUC. 34 to KUC. 3. Section 3, subsection. Thank you. Earlier 34, I am told that it is section
3,
subsection 5. There was a difference between 34 and 149. 149 is now 61. And 61, the proviso has come. If the case diary says that I was a headmaster and I am the person who sopped up the hand, then of course the matter is different. And the headmistress definitely will not sop off the hand of a man.
Yes, what is there in the case there?
Lordship, I will also take 2 minutes time, Lordship. Here, Lordship, what has happened prior to the incident is of no consequences, Lordship, since a crime has happened. Now, Lordship, if Lordship kindly takes up the FIR that has been filed by them, Lordship, that is at page 23 for a moment.
Yeah.
Lordship, will kindly see the original copy. No registration number, nothing. It is at page 25. Nothing is there, Lordship. Nothing is there.
No, he is father of the petition.
Anyway, Lordship, as regards the case that is concerned, Lordship, 1 person has died. And the person who has died, he happens to have 40% disability, Lordship. And if Lordship kindly goes to the photographs as well as the PM report, Lordship, I'm just placing.
No, just tell us what is it.
Yes, Lordship, this barbarity in which he was killed, Lordship. All his fingers were chopped off. Legs were injured, thighs were injured. There are so many injuries, Lordship, it will take at least 10 minutes to describe them. Otherwise, there are photographs. Now, also regarding the involvement of the present petitioners, there are independent witnesses. There are injured person witnesses who have stated every one of them attacked them with deadly weapons, including lathi, dao, and even a gun. Everything is there, Lordship. Lordship will kindly take a few minutes time to peruse the diary, Lordship. Independent witnesses as well as injured person statement, everything is there.
According to you, there are materials against the present petitioners.
Absolutely, Lordship.
1, 2, 3, not even 4 we are talking about.
There are number of petitioners, Lordship. In item 47, Lordship will find there are four petitioners, Lordship. Headmaster also. And Lordship, in item number, the unlisted matter, Lordship, that is, there are 2 petitioners, all have been named. I have gone carefully through the statement of the independent witness. All of them have named every one of them, Lordship. The persons who were present on the spot of occurrence. And Lordship, the informant is also here, Lordship.
We'll go through the case then and pass the order tomorrow.
Lordship, back 2 minutes.
We'll pass the order tomorrow, Mr.
My lord, will your lordship excuse my absence tomorrow? My lord, another colleague will be.
We'll pass the order.
My lord.
We have to go to.
Because 1 and 2 are government school teachers.
We have any documents.
He is the mastermind, your lordship. The petition.
We are referring for the information.
He was holding a gun, your lordship, and he was instructing.
My lord, item 61, my.
16 Rama.
No, no, very good decision.
Copy the item.
More decision.
And 8 more helpful.
Objection, dear.
No.
Objection, dear.
More duty.
Objection, dear.
More duty to happen.
Against whom? Against me. On your instruction. Remaining matter discussed. Section 16 to report level.
Senior still is in Lake's Lordship. Kindly agenda matter for the day, Lordship.
We'll come after vacation. 6th.
61, my lord, it is not total. Today is 41 days, my lord. Husband and wife before was instruction.
Malad, instruction, you see, Malad, they are doing this business because of that, Malad, I was taking further custody.
Yes, my yes, and there I also am admitting my 15 years is our source of livelihood. Now everything is stopped. We are carrying on this business, my lord. 41 days today, my lord.
Yes, 41.
How has it been recovered?
No, everything recovered, my everything. The FIR itself saying, my everything is recovered, my lord.
Number of cattle?
No, my lord, it's no, flesh. Only 4.
Flesh, they are doing
my
the
lord.
business, Malad.
Huh?
Slaughtering, Malad. Slaughtering.
Sorry, flesh they have recovered, my lord, and also 3 and 4.
Is there comfortable number with that?
हो जाए, my lord.
13.
Murad.
We pass the order.
Yes.
Allowed.
My lord.
62, Malad, not looking for, we have not received the status report, Malad. It is 77 days.
You have received the case diary?
No, Malad.
On 3rd.
Malad, and Malad, notice, Malad, maybe issued, Malad. Notice was not issued, I suppose, Malad.
Right?
Status report was notice listed.
Lordship, it's a motion matter wrongly listed in a bail hearing column.
But order was passed on 17th of December.
Yes.
You are supposed to take steps.
Day before yesterday. Steps to Lulu.
You have not taken steps on the public prosecutor. Take steps.
Okay, Lordship.
Take steps during the course of the day
Lordship.
to the registry. On 3rd, you have the case there.
My lord.
Obliged, Lordship.
I love you.
Steps were taken on 18/12.
Yes, my lord.
Yesterday,
On the same day, I will take it.
yesterday only.
Yes, my lord, steps taken, but and status report also there, my lord. There are materials as far as status report, my lord. DNA test was sent, yes.
Okay, give us the status report. We'll
My
copy
lord.
it. Give us the status.
87 days today, my lord.
We'll pass the order later.
In that view of the matter, writ petition is disposed of by setting aside the impugned opinion dated 22/10/2019 passed by the learned member Foreigners Tribunal First, Sonitpur, Assam, in FT case number 83 of 2017, and the matter is remanded back to the tribunal for a fresh decision for proper evaluation of all evidences adduced before the tribunal. Since the petitioner has already been granted bail by this court, she would continue to remain on bail on similar terms and conditions till the culmination of the proceedings in the FT case number so and so. Since the matter is remanded back for a fresh decision, petitioner will appear before the Foreigners Tribunal by 10th of January 2025. Matter stands disposed of. Tribunal records remanded back. Copy of this order be furnished to the SP Border Kachar, Silchar for doing the needful.
Item number 2.
Under such circumstances, court is of the view there is no infirmity in the opinion dated 29/12/2023 passed by Foreigners Tribunal number 2, Kamrup Boko, whereby the Foreigners Tribunal concluded that the petitioner had failed to discharge the burden that he is not an illegal immigrant who had entered from the specified territory after 25/3/1971. Accordingly, the writ petition stands dismissed. No order is to cost. Remit the original records to the Foreigners Tribunal number 2, Kamrup at Boko, immediately along with a copy of this order. Registry will also communicate this order to the SP Border Kamrup, Amingao for necessary information.